Generating a quote, invoice, or proposal. Go into your Reports tab in the project, scroll to the bottom, and you'll see some budgeting options. Internal budget will break out your markup so you can see it, but a quote or invoice is client-facing, and this will hide any markup you might have added on your Budget tab. Before you generate the report, come over to the right and check out the settings and filters. You can choose to indicate this is a quote or invoice. You can label it proposal or whatever you like, include a number. You can choose to group by area or turn that off. You can show group budget totals, indicate the images if you want those on or off. You can group the specs by vendor, spec type, or category. And then you can also filter. So if you'd like to create a report for only the guest rooms, and perhaps only the FF&E in those guest rooms, you can choose all those settings. Feel free to save this as a preset. You might want to call it guest room FF&E, then click apply. Now the default report will come with a cover page and a table of contents. If you'd like a shorter report, you can go into the Report tab, Global Settings, and turn those off. I'll review that on a different video. So the first page will be a summary of all the items by area, and then we'll include allowances, installation, tax, etc., anything you put into your budget tab. And then the report goes into each line item, including a thumbnail image. From here, you can download this as a PDF, an Excel, or a few other formats.